Soft Tennis Pilipinas brought home medals from the recently concluded 18th Poland Cup International Soft Tennis Tournament held in Grodzisk, Mazowiecki, Poland. Leading the charge were the national coaches of Soft Tennis Pilipinas, Coach Winifredo De Leon and Coach Michael Enriquez, who competed in the 40-plus age division and brought home the gold medal. A testament that dedication and determination know no age.
Another great experience para sa amin kasi nanumbalik yung dati naming national team kami. Kami pa yung national team before. So, napaka-saya. Enjoy yung laro namin. Yung mindset na competitive, talagang nandun pa rin. So, yung fitness level, syempre, hindi na ganoon kataas yung fitness level namin. Yung dating malalayong bola na naaabot mo pa, ngayon hindi mo na maabot.
yung isip mo, nandun pa rin.
Kaya.
Pero yung muscle mo, medyo hindi na ganun ka, yung bilis. Pero yung skill, yung technique, nandun pa rin. Yun lang pagkakaiba niya.
For the silver medalists, Bien Zoleta and Princess Katindig, the chemistry between them goes way back, forming the foundation of their strong and enduring partnership.
Actually, since 2016 pa kami nag-partner. Actually, yung Asian Championship, yung nag-medal kami last 2016 for Asian Championship. Nag-bronze kami sa team event. So kami ni Princess na mag-partner nun. And then, SEA Games 2023 kami naman din yung magkaka-team nun. And then, nag-gold din kami na sa team event. And then, ngayon, until now, nagpa-partner pa rin kami ni Princess and nananalo pa rin. Nabuo na siya through time. Tsaka, siguro yung tiwala namin sa isa na walang bibitaw kapag kailangan mag-produce, mag-deliver. Yun, alam namin na kakapitan namin ng isa't isa.
Despite of already winning medals, Bien Zoleta and Princess Katindig still continue to discover new things about each other as partners.
Simple lang pero nagmamatter siya talaga. Sobrang kailangan din namin siyang tutukan kasi importante sa amin yung darating na tournament eh. So, small things pero kailangan namin siyang isa-isahin. Tsaka trainingin maigi sa Pilipinas.
For Patrick Mendoza and Joseph Arcilia, it's the bond and shared experiences both on and off the court that have truly solidified their partnership.
Siguro po yung yung outside the court, yung pagiging magkaibigan, para magtropa lang. Kung magkaedad lang kaming dalawa kahit para magtropa lang siya, nakakatulong talaga yan, yung bonding din. Yung after training, sobrang nakakatulong siya ng partnership.
On their first tournament outside Asia, they felt a mix of excitement, nerves, and pride. Facing unfamiliar conditions and tougher teams pushed them to step up and give their best. And as they say, one thing's for sure.
Sa puso, talagang palaban pa rin tayo sa pagdating sa puso, para sa bayan pa rin yung iniisip natin. Pag every point talagang pinipilit namin kunin. So, yun talagang hindi pa rin maalis yung pusong Pinoy na palaban. Kahit anong mangyari, lalaban tayo hanggang sa huling puntos.
After the successful campaign of Soft Tennis Pilipinas in Poland, they will be holding a clinic next week as part of their grassroots program and will also be participating in the National Open in Bacolod City. Meanwhile, the national team is set to compete in the Asian Championships in Korea this September. Reporting for the Scorecard, this is Sheila Salaysay, Billionario News Channel.